We're going to land. The question is, where? She pointed to her iPad. There is a mountain of data here. Even with Skippy's help, we've barely skimmed the surface. For example, it's not going to be comfortable at first, I admitted. We will need time to adjust. Skippy told me the oxygen level is equivalent to Earth at with free oxygen. This was long before the appearance of any land plants. The buildup of free oxygen was delayed by minerals on the surface, such as iron, absorbing the free oxygen until the mineral base became saturated. At that point, we think the free oxygen reduced the amount of methane. That tells us the planet should be warmer, that it was warmer in the past, considering the oxygen levels. Interesting as I found this info, and I did want to know more about it eventually. I needed a decision from her. There was plenty of time for me to learn about sciencey stuff while we huddled in caverns on Newark. Months during which I'd need something to do while the time slowly passed.